In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on the DoorDash app. This simple yet crucial update ensures that the app remains functional and secure, allowing you to receive delivery notifications, reset passwords, and communicate efficiently with both customers and the DoorDash support team. So, let's dive in and show you how to make this change effortlessly. First, you'll need to open the DoorDash app on your smartphone. If you haven't already installed it, just head over to your usual app store, download, and open it. Once inside the app, you'll typically land on the home screen. From here, direct your attention to the bottom right corner where you will see a small icon labeled Account. Give it a tap. This section is the hub for all things related to your personal information, settings, and preferences on DoorDash. Once you're in the Account section, the next step is to click Profile. You might have to scroll down a little, but don't worry, it's usually easy to spot. This area contains all your essential personal information like your email address, payment methods, and of course your phone number. At this point, you should see various options related to your identity and account info. It's beneficial to take a moment to ensure that all the other details such as your first name, last name, and email address are accurate and up to date. This step is important not only for the changing your phone number, but also for retaining smooth communication throughout your use of the app. Updating your phone number is straightforward. Once you locate where your current phone number is displayed, you should find an option to edit or update it. Simply type in your new phone number, taking care to double check for any errors, digits swapped, or left out. It's important to get this right as this number will serve as your primary point of contact for anything DoorDash related. After you've updated your phone number, DoorDash might require you to verify it. This is usually done quickly by sending a text message or phone call with a verification code. Just follow the prompts, enter the code into the app when requested, and you should be all set. Additionally, if you have any particular concerns while updating your number, such as issues with verification or error messages, it's a good idea to jot them down here. This way, if you need to make contact with DoorDash support, you'll have everything you need right in front of you. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your phone number on the DoorDash app. Maintaining accurate account information not only helps with uninterrupted service, but also beefs up your security. Always ensure that your details are correct to make the most of your DoorDash experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more.